Breaking news live at 10. The U.S. Supreme Court blocks Wisconsin's voter ID law, meaning you won't need to show a photo ID at the polls in November. This comes after the 7th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals declared on Monday the law was constitutional. The next day, the ACLU filed an emergency request to the Supreme Court to block the ruling. And just 2 hours ago, the Supreme Court did just that. The law has been controversial since it was passed in Wisconsin in 2011. The Wisconsin ACLU, the organization responsible for filing the appeal to the Supreme Court, releasing this statement tonight on the court's decision, saying, quote, "The ACLU of Wisconsin is profoundly relieved that the Supreme Court has halted the state's ill-advised rush to implement the voter ID requirement. Thanks to this ruling, our clients and the many other voters without ID will be able to vote on November 4th without unnecessary obstacles." And we just received a statement as well from Attorney General J.B. Van Hollen. I'm going to read here. He says, quote, "I believe the voter ID law is constitutional and nothing in the court's order suggests otherwise. We will be exploring alternatives to address the court's concern and have voter ID on Election Day." We will continue to follow this breaking news story and bring you much more reaction tomorrow on NBC 26.